Does your Instagram feed look like shit? Well, don't worry, I can help you with that. Welcome you guys to my new series I'm starting, Tip Tuesday. I'm going to share with you how to excel on your social media journey. Starting with how to make your Instagram feed look good. So make sure you're subscribed and let's get started. All right, so step number one is you want to edit every single photo. There are some really great mobile apps. These are some you can check out here. You can also just use good old Lightroom. Lightroom is basically the king of editing and it gives you a lot of control. Step two is you want to make each photo a similar color profile. And what I mean by that is a warm feed or a dark feed. That doesn't mean you can't post dark photos, it just means that you want to warm them up a bit or cool them down if you're trying to do cold photos, vice versa. If you want to use blue, for example, you want to make sure that it's the same hue in every single photo. So maybe that aqua blue, and that is going to make your feed look more cohesive overall when you look at it from the grid view. If you edit a photo a certain way, you can actually save it in Lightroom and make what is called a preset. You can also buy creators presets if you like a certain look to their photos. Most creators have presets. I actually just launched my presets. Shameless plug. I'm sorry guys. LauraReidPresets.com. Use code YouTube20 for 20% off. Okay, enough about me. Step three, you want to rotate the colors. And what I mean by that is if you post a photo with a lot of blue in it, the next photo you don't necessarily want it to be a lot of blue. So what I personally do is I will rotate. I'll have a lot of blue in one photo and then I'll post an orange photo or like a pink-ish photo during a sunset and then another blue photo, so then they rotate. Another option is you can also do rows of colors. I've seen some creators do that, or you can go ham and do one color throughout the whole feed. Tara Milk Tea is the queen of this. Honestly, her photos are a work of art. If you're not following her, you definitely should be, but she's a good example of someone who does this. All right, step four is you can change up the photo. So you can go from a more up close shot to a far away shot to maybe a photo of your hands cheersing with drinks. It's totally personal preference. If you want to do those super travel feeds where it's all far away photos and looks really professional, you can do that as well. Maybe you have a drone account and you post just drone photos. All right, number five, last tip. If you're posting a video, a little hack, you want to put a thumbnail photo in the last second of the video so you can actually use that as the main photo that will show up on the feed. So I literally do this for all of my videos so that when it's on the feed, it looks a lot better versus just choosing a still from the video. And that is how to make your Instagram feed look a heck of a lot better. Leave your Instagram handle below and I'll go like some of your guys' photos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!